Teteh Batu Tourism Village is located in Sikur, East Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara. With a distance of about 2 hours from Mataram city. Teteh Batu Tourism Village is one of the places to enjoy the enchanting beauty of the scenery at the southern foot of Mount Rinjani. Which has the enchanting beauty of panoramic views of mountains and rice fields. The contours of the land in Teteh Batu are like steps that form lush green rice fields. This location is also often haunted by photographer lovers, especially those who want to take in the beauty of a very charming sunrise. And when dusk comes, tourists will feel as if they are one with the natural conditions, which are so calm, quiet, and cool. Coupled with a view of the sky which is golden red in color, combined with the sturdy peak of Mount Rinjani.
Do you know the origin of the name for the Sarang Walet waterfall? According to residents around Asar, the naming of this place is because in the past this place was the home of tens or even hundreds of swallows. But now this place is empty of the just birds. This waterfall is behind caves and rocks overgrown with moss. The exciting cave walls from a certain pattern due to river erosion. The roots of trees and water flowing small like curtains have spread on the walls of this cave. The erosion of the water on the edge of this cliff likewise creates a large tunnel at the location of the waterfall.
Okay, if you want to visit the Sarang Walet Waterfall and you want to start from the University of Mataram, you can take the northwest toward the Unram Street. After 160 meters, turn right toward the Unram Street. Then, after exiting the Unram Street, turn right past the Pemuda Street. After 400 meters, turn left onto the main road Mataram to Labuan Lombok or Sandubaya Street. Keep going straight until you meet a little crossroad towards the Pancor Dao. Keep going straight, then about 950 meters, turn right. and go along until you meet a corner onto the Wisata Otakoko Street. After 20 meters, turn right. Keep following the road until you get out from the Wisata Otakoko Street. Then, turn left to the Pariwisata Street. After 170 meters, turn right on the Tete Batu Highway. Go long, then after 1 kilometers, turn left and turn left again after 400 meters. And finally, you arrive in your destination, which is known as Sarang Walet Waterfall.
So guys, in order to enjoy tourism at the Sarang Walet Waterfall, you have to buy a ticket so you can enter the waterfall area. You can buy a ticket for 1,000 per person. Payment can only be made in person or cash, so you can't order tickets online. Then, to park motorbikes and cars, you have to pay 1,000 for cars and 500 for motorbikes. After that, you will be given a ticket to enter. Because you are going to travel quite a distance, and it is definitely tiring, as you guess filling up your motorbike or car full of gasoline from home. And because there is only one trade, would it be better for you to bring lunch from home or buy a snack on the way?
And if you want to visit the Sarang Walet Waterfall tour, first you should down several stairs leading to the river. Next, you will meet the secondary steps that requires visitors to take off the footwear if you do not want to get wet, and pass the long made wooden bridge. After the following along the 30 meters of the wooden bridge, and then finally you will be presented by the beauty of Sarang Walet Waterfall.
The facilities available at the Swallow's Nest Waterfall are quite complete and adequate because they are managed by the Tete Batu Village Tourism Awareness Group and the local government. There are several facilities available at this waterfall, including the first is parking areas. For those who take four-wheel vehicles, the location of the car park is quite far from the tourist location because the road can only be passed by motorbikes. The motorbike parking location is also in resident homes, which, of course, ensures security is a priority. Visitors must be willing to travel about 100 meters to the location of the waterfall. When arriving at the location, visitors will pass through the river between the rocky cliffs. Secondly, we can also find food and beverage stalls. There, residents sell products such as coffee, coconut oil, snacks, and souvenirs. There is also a lesehan, which is usually used as a place for visitors to stop before or after the waterfall, with the mainstay menu there, namely grilled fish. The third, place of worship. Those who want to worship can go to the guard post because the prayer room is only available there. Fourth, toilets. Supporting facilities such as toilet and changing room are located near the entrance. The toilet is clean and the water is smooth. Fifth, trash can. Trash at this tourist spot is still very minimal. It's best if we visit, we bring a used bag as a trash can so that a place as beautiful as this is not polluted by the food and drink waste that we bring. The 6. Stair and bridges. When entering the river from the waterfall, visitors have been provided with steps in the form of cement to make it easier to travel to the waterfall. To get to the waterfall pavilion, visitors will walk about 200 meters to get to the Swallow's Nest waterfall. And the 7. We can find lodging. In Tatabatu village, there are also many homestay-style accommodation available for tourists. Tourists can go on adventure in this green tourist village with very cool weather conditions. Maybe that's all the information regarding the facilities available at the Swallow's Nest waterfall. Thank you.